Welcome back, dear students, in your computer YouTube video classes. Hope you are keeping well at home. And as you know very well that we have completed our explanation of lesson number 4, which is more on internet. Okay. And if you haven't seen that video, so first of all, go through that video. Two parts are there of the explanation. It is very important. And afterwards, you can see this video. Okay. So in this video, we are going to do our exercise as well as the question answers. Okay. So this video is going to be very important for you. So let's start. So you may open your page number 65. Page number 65. And first of all, we will do B part. Fill in the blanks. Okay. So let's start. So first is internet is a very large dash of dash. So what is it? It is network of computer. So this is first and this is also first. So here network of computers. Understood? Then second one, a web page contains dash two other sites and pages. So what does it contain? It is hyperlink. Okay, this is second one, hyperlink. Then third one, every website has a unique. This is very easy as well as important too. So this is every website has a unique address. This is third one. Okay. Then fourth one, dash button shows the list of web pages you have visited. That is history. As the name also indicate, it is history. Then fifth one, mouse pointer generally takes the shape of a dash when moved over a link. It is also explained to you that it takes the shape of a hand. Okay, last one. Then sixth, web page is a document or information that is stored in and dash from form on a computer connected to the internet. So it is electronic form. Okay. So this is sixth one, electronic form. Okay. Again I will tell you, internet is a very large network of computers. Second, a web page contains hyperlinks to other sites and pages. Third, every website has a unique address. Fourth, history button shows the list of web pages you have visited. Fifth, mouse pointer generally takes the shape of a hand when removed over a link. Sixth, web page is a document or information that is stored in an electronic form on a computer connected to the internet. Okay. Now moving towards our next part, which is C1, and it is multiple choice question MCQs. Take the correct option. So let's see it. Okay. First one is Dash is not a web browser. Which one is not a web browser? Apple Safari. It is example of the same. Mozilla Firefox. Then gadgets is the correct answer. It is not a web browser. Second, websites that search information according to specified terms are search engines. Okay. A hyperlink is generally, this is not, this is also not, and the last one which you can see, C1, it's bold. Okay. Here it is, you can see here, bold. Okay. C1. Now you can turn your page on page number 66, and our last one is the address of a website is typed in. So where you will type the address? Of course it is address bar. Understood? Now coming towards the activity time, this is time for doing the activity time. So here how you will do, this is your homework. Okay, this is your homework. How you have to do? Okay, I will give you hint. Okay, on the page number you can see them on page number 60 as well as 61. You can find it out. For example, this is favorite, there is a star. Okay, then for home button, one heart shape you can see there. Okay, like this. Then help button, with the question mark you can see, then back button you can easily see, like that something. Okay, so I think it is given on page number 60 as well as on page number 61. So this is your homework, you have to do yourself. Okay, now come on towards part A, which is answer the following questions. You can open your notebooks, write today's date, then write lesson number, lesson name, and part A, answer the following question. So our first question is, do the terms internet and world wide web means the same? Support your answer with explanation. If yes, then support your answer. If no, then also. So the terms internet and world wide web mean the same. Okay, so this is the first part. Till here is the first part, and we have to explain in support of our answer. We have to give the explanation. So the internet establishes a global data communication system between computers. In contrast, the web is one of the services communicated via the internet. Okay, so this is our first answer. Now you can pause the video if you want to write at the same time. Coming towards our next question. Differentiate between web page and home page. So very simple answer I have given you here. So web page is a document that is stored in an electronic form on a computer connected to the internet, whereas home page is the very first page which appears when we open a website. This we know very well. Okay, now third one, what is hyperlink? So a hyperlink may be a text or picture generally underlined and shown in different colors, means it is highlighted. Okay, and it can be a text or it can be a picture. So then it leads to the web page to which it is linked. Okay, so this is our answer. You can write it. Then fourth one is, what is URL? Give an example. So your URL we know very well. In our first term also I make you understand, and I told you to learn it. It's full forms also. So uniform resource locator is the address of a website or web page. For example, www.disney.com. Okay, so this is an example of URL. Now coming towards our fifth question, what is a web browser? Give two examples of web browsers. So, web browser is a special software that helps in viewing a website. Okay, to view a website, web browsers are used, and two examples are Opera and Google Chrome. Now, moving towards our sixth question, what is the use of the following buttons on command bar? So three parts are there. Firstly, home button, then print button, and favorites button. So first one is home button. So this is home button. This is used to go back to the home page of the browser windows. Okay. Then second, print button. Print out of a web page can be obtained by clicking on this button. Then third one is favorite button. This is used to save the URL address of this particular site in the browsers. This is okay, you can make it correct. In the place of you, what you have to write? I. Okay, this is. Understood? This is used to save the URL address of this particular site in the browser. Now coming towards our last question finally, what do you understand by search engines? Name any three popular search engines. So search engines are those websites that search information according to the words or terms written. Okay, and three examples are www.yahoo.com, google.com, and ask.com. Here it is mistaken, you can write it. Okay, www.google.com. Okay, you can write now. Okay, so this is your answer number 7th, and here we have completed our chapter with its exercise as well as question answers. So You have to complete your work, as well as one homework also. I have given you one activity. So your homework is to complete your work and learn it. Okay.